Diya. I am from LKG C section. Today I am going to tell you a story about the weaver and the bird. Once upon a time, there was a weaver. He weaved clothes and sold in the market. One day, he could not sell the sarees because it was plain in color. The weaver started crying. He lost hope. He started worrying about his family. A bird saw the weaver crying. The bird asked the weaver, "Why are you crying?" The weaver told his story. The bird said, "Don't worry, I will help you." The next day morning, the bird came and sat on the weaving machine. The bird said the weaver, "Start weaving." The weaver started weaving. There came a beautiful, colorful sarees. Moral of the story: we should never lose the hope. There is always a ray of light in everyone's life. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.